Today we're going to discuss healing herbs, nature's medicine for body, mind, and spirit. Please consult your doctor before trying any of the mentioned herbs. Fun fact: did you know that comfrey means to grow together? This powerful herb is cherished for its ability to soothe, repair, and nourish from the outside in. Comfrey nourishes the skin with vitamins, minerals, and allantoin. Comfrey is for external use only. Do not take internally. Calendula is known as the sunshine healer, cheerful, easy to grow flowers with powerful healing properties for body, skin, and garden. Calendula is a skin soother, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial. It's very versatile. Tea, infused oil, salves, and balms are just a few things you can do with calendula. From garden to jar, calendula brings healing sunshine every day. Holy basil, also known as tulsi, is a revered adaptogenic herb. In Ayurveda, it supports overall well-being, helps the body adapt to stress, and promotes balance of mind, body, and spirit. Plant a container of holy basil near your home's entrance to purify the air. Fun fact: tulsi is considered the queen of herbs. Bee balm, also known as wild bergamot, gets its name because this flower attracts bees, butterflies, hummingbirds, and other pollinators like a magnet. Bee balm is treasured for its vibrant blooms, pollinator-friendly nature, and its wide range of traditional uses. All parts of this plant can be used, so grow some today. Lemon balm, a little leaf of calm for body and mind, of fragrant herb in the mint family, known for its gentle lemon scent, calming properties, and many traditional uses. All parts of the plant are usable, and the bees love it. Make a cup of tea with the leaves before bed to support better sleep. Word of caution: it spreads by roots, so grow this plant in a container to keep it contained. Purple coneflower or echinacea, a little plant with big healing power. Echinacea is a powerful herb known for supporting the immune system, fighting infections, and promoting natural healing. It's a resilient plant for seasonal wellness. All parts of the plant can be used, making this an excellent herb that you can grow. From your garden to your cup, let nature's defense be your wellness. Breathe deep and live well with lavender, nature's calm in every bloom. Lavender is a fragrant flowering herb cherished for its soothing aroma, calming properties, and wide range of traditional and modern uses. Promoting calmness, reducing anxiety, and improving sleep are just a few of the many benefits this herb has to offer. Are you growing lavender in your garden? German chamomile, a little plant with big healing power. A gentle herb that soothes the body, calms the mind, and supports overall wellness. Chamomile is traditionally used to help promote relaxation and a restful sleep. Although all parts of the plant can be used, the fresh flowers contain the most beneficial compounds, so grow yourself some chamomile today. Did you know that peppermint is a natural hybrid of watermint and spearmint? Its name comes from pepper, the spicy taste it gives off, and mint for being a cooling herb. When growing, peppermint pinch back the tips often to keep it full and flavorful. Known for its soothing aroma, digestive support, and cooling sensation, peppermint is a cool breeze for your body and mind. Did you know that yarrow was named after Achilles, the Greek hero? It has been said that Achilles used yarrow during the Trojan War to treat his wounded soldiers. Traditionally, yarrow is used to stop bleeding and promote healing. It's a low-maintenance flower, deer-resistant, and the pollinators love it. Grow some yarrow today and take advantage of all its uses and benefits. Marshmallow, the treat everyone loves to eat when making s'mores. Well, did you know that the name marshmallow comes from this plant? Ancient Egyptians made the earliest marshmallow treats by mixing the root's mucilage with honey and nuts. Traditionally, Marshmallow is used to comfort and nourish you from the inside and out. This plant is rich in mucilage and nutrients, making it a great demulcent herb. For healthy skin, happy digestion, and natural wellness, grow yourself some aloe vera. With numerous uses and benefits, it's widely used for soothing and hydrating skin irritations, burns, and sunburns. It can be used as a topical gel, soothing spray, digestive support, and you can incorporate it into your hair care routine. From leaf to life, aloe vera is a gentle remedy your body will love. Thank you for coming along this healing journey with me. Today, are you growing any of these beneficial herbs in your garden? Or did you discover a new herb you would like to grow? Let me know in the comments. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.